Recollect when we first met. Friends of yours advised me come pursue you. Hypnotizing to your spell and smell. Sprung by your perfume, I flew over. Know the laser runners with the steward. Yeah, I love was younger, newer than when we were honeymooners. Nowadays we're son of fewer. Nights and number, lunar eclipse, the glitter and glitz. Hate to admit, dismiss 100 rumors as imagination's figments. Spread like tumors, diagnosed malignant radiation. Patient hunting for the cure. You so immature, unreliable, never liable. Blaming the entire globe and calling evildoers. But I'm sure there's no reparations for sweat and lost energy. Considered best comrades, became my worst enemy. Hurtful, abusive, blood curdles and oozes under the surface of epidermis. The purple is bruises. Truth is, you're gorgeous. But hunger for power gorgeous, with armed forces could torture slim figure to enormous. Oh, beautiful. With your spacious skies, I want to love you, but you hide behind a fake disguise. Oh, beautiful. Your flirtatious eyes, feeling for power and the taste between us waist and thighs. You planned your birthday party for July 4th. Then I was disinvited, ride your high horse to a black tie affair with your peers who can apply force. Oh, beautiful, really want to make this fit. Promise me to change your ways, keep on repeating the same mistakes to slip. Blow your candles, make a wish. Erase the taste on mountain pots. Blood on auction blocks, our fellas caught and cells. I seldom thought we 86 relationships. Obsolete like laser discs. Jealous thoughts possessive, someone self-defense. I'm raising fists, y'all. But you fail to hear the trail of tears and broken treaties. Border walls be broke graffiti. Tag it like it told you go alone and greedy. Even though you know you need me. No pretending we codependent. You killing in my name and get the blame your co-defendant. So much here against us in embarrassment. See a therapist for your paranoia of terrorists while terrorizing. Analyze the flaws in your character. So do you really love me or just lust for power, America?